Okay. Naputol guys. Di ko alam kung ano yung napindot ko nung binabaliktad ko yung camera. So naputol. Yeah. Medyo mahirap din pagpaputol-putol talaga yung internet eh. Nakakalito eh. Anyway guys, today is around 7:30 a.m. already, April 22, 2026 RP. This is at Shirley's Kitchen, J3, Kapati Compound, CSFP. And CSFP is City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So, binaligtad ko na yung camera, nagkamali ako ng pindot, kaya naputol. So, sorry dun kay James. Mabaliktarin ko ulit yung camera. Sana tama yung mapindot ko. Nasa right side pala yun. By the way guys, kung sa hindi nakakita, I'm cooking this with tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Cooking oil. And not smoke right after work. At least 1 hour na pahinga. Diba? Or more before we smoke. So this is it. Yung talagang medyo na kompleto is yung first one, second to the last pala kasama at saka ito. Pero in between the second to the last and the first vlog na live, I think, and work out a lot. And of course,